Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just filming a day in my life in Bangalore. So I just got out of my home and you can definitely see the road. It is disgusting, it is gross. First it is raining here in Bangalore and then they are working and all the roads look like this. I'm just waiting for my Ola to come. So here comes my Ola. So let me take you guys through a day in my life. I hope you will like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. I just felt like today going to a nice cafe as I haven't gone out since last 2 months. So here we go. Believe me, during normal time, these roads are jam-packed with cars. It's feel kind of sad to see this roads almost empty. Today I'm going to this cafe called From Hill to Station. I'm always looking for this nice, cozy cafe. The one I'm going today is about 5 kilometers from my home, but I believe they have a branch which is like near to my home. Nowadays, Ola and Uber does not turn on the AC, so I'm just blowing with the wind, kind of flaunting the little hair I am left with. And please ignore my banana mask. At this point, I seriously thought that I'm lost. Finally, we reach. So here is the place. This place seriously gives you a feel that you're really sitting in the middle of a rural area. It's so calm, composed, and as you can see, the interior is made out of raw wood. It gives more. It adds to your feeling. And seriously, there is not a lot of crowd, and I am seriously in love with this place. I just ordered one cup of cappuccino and the chicken sandwich. So basically, I am just in love of brunching nowadays. Somehow, I love the term and the feeling of brunching. No, the point is, I'm just too lazy to make breakfast for myself. Time to say bye bye. I can totally imagine myself coming here again. I so loved the coffee. I'm back home, started with my as usual day to day work, some very boring spreadsheet and Google Sheet and editing. Yes, I look extremely serious there because for some reason my trackpad of my laptop was not working and I was seriously getting irritated. I definitely can't stay with my hair open for a longer period of time. I feel like that something is on my shoulder. I feel like that the whole world is on my shoulder. So I have to tie my hair into that messy bun. I promise from tomorrow onward, you guys will have a better camera angle. I know how funny and horrible it is looking. I took a mini break from my work and started making a cup of tea for myself. I generally prefer a little like masala chai, if specifically if it's a milk tea. And today I was in a mood to have a little milk tea, so I took a little break and here I am making tea for me. And I love this mug which I am using, and I'm totally obsessed with this mug. I don't know what's special in it, but it's just I just love to have my cup of chai in that. Can't wait to have a cup of tea. I was actually having a very bad neck pain and headache. So, whenever you have a neck pain and headache, trust me, a cup of chai is what can literally save you and give you all the energy you require for your work. Back to work with my cup of chai. It's seriously the utmost pleasure to have a warm cup of tea and do your work. I was seriously having a very bad neck pain. I don't know why I have this neck pain, probably because of my sitting posture. I started making my dinner. So for today I'm cooking a little bit of chicken and rice. I am not showing you the whole recipe here, but I promise I will definitely make a cooking vlog. Between guys, I really have a question. What's up with Bangalore onions? Why they are black? I don't know. I have never seen such onions. So here I'm just adding a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mixing it in the mixture. And some chilies. So that's it. I was seriously craving for that sweet and a little spicy chicken. So that's what I'm making today, a little sweet and spicy chicken. I'm adding all the spices, but be aware that we Bengalis do add sugar in our food. It's not because to make it sweet, it's because to give it a hint of color. I will definitely show a detailed video on. So that's all for my dinner, a little bit of chicken and rice, and I kind of want to have a little cold drink. I'm not sure of. I have literally stopped drinking cold drinks since like from last 2 months, which is I guess a very good habit. But in case I'm craving, I don't think so. One day will do a little bit of more harm. I can have. Well, I'm not sure. So after my dinner, I generally like to read a book. So today I'm reading Palace of Illusion. So that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have, please like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you soon, and I'll try making daily vlogs, though I am not quite good in it. I am learning. Bye bye. Good night.